Hey guys, top of the morning. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Let's get started. Okay, so anyways guys, lately there's been a lot of hype about the Minecraft movie. Okay guys, so let me tell you my thoughts. Yes, the Minecraft movie is really good. I recommend to watch it, but the thing is, it's too realistic, guys. They're trying to make Minecraft like in reality now. So, anyways, I know you guys probably are all like, very excited to watch it. Like, trust me, it's worth watching. But yeah, I don't want to ruin it for you guys. Anyways, we gotta get into this build today. So, today I'm gonna be building a nice little. Okay, I'm gonna wait. You guys need to really figure it out. Okay, so. Okay, my thoughts today, I'm making a horse farm. So, okay, we're gonna have the trough here, and we're gonna have some water. Okay, so let's get some water. So, this is just my thoughts, guys. Let's get some water. A bucket of water. Okay, well, my thoughts of the Minecraft, movie is, yes, they could have done better, really, guys. They really could have made it more entertaining. They could have made it, just amazing, But anyways, that's just life. It's sometimes, the creators in Minecraft will disappoint you, and sometimes, you'll be okay, but most of the time, yeah, you'll be disappointed. Anyways, it's I went to the store the other day, and I saw there was cookies on sale, and they're only $1, right? So I was looking around and I was like, yo, where are the dollar cookies? And then the grocery girl said, hey, we sold them all out. I was like, what? I was like, you guys should have more in stock. You guys are disappointing me. That's the thing. In life, there's going to be a lot of disappointments. You guys are going to have a lot of disappointments, setbacks. But anyways, you guys got to keep on going. It doesn't matter. Anyways, so I'm going to make this horse pen here. That's good. Okay. And I was thinking here, actually, guys, we can put some gates around here, guys, because I don't know. I think the horses, whenever I do this kind of thing here, they jump over top and then they escape. I don't want any of my horses to escape, guys. It's like in real life, If you have a horse farm, you guys don't want to lose any of your horses because horses cost money, guys, and they're for the alti rich people, multi rich people. Anyways, guys, it could be like dogs and cats, people that have dogs and cats, hey, they got a lot of money because it's a lot of money to raise a cat or dog. Anyways, enough of me saying that. But anyways, let's put up these gates, guys. We're gonna build a wall, like what Donald Trump said, and then we're gonna put in tariffs, and then we're gonna make you guys pay for it all. So, it's life, right, guys? And you know what's funny, guys? Too, actually, the other day, Donald Trump wants to do all this stuff in this world, right? And the stock market, it went down like crazy. And then he announced, hey guys, it's a good time to buy stocks. And guess what happened? The stock market went up. Get that, guys? He's trying to set everyone up here. He's like, hey, you're gonna lose money, but then you're gonna make some money. But buy when it's low, sell when I say to buy. It's me, Donald Trump. Okay, enough with the Donald Trump jokes. But yeah, he doesn't know what he's doing. Okay, so let's get over here and let's start with the hay, guys. Let me put some hay down because horses, they need a couple of things. They need water, they need hay, and hay. There we go. They need water, hay, they need light. And they need friends, they need buddies. Okay, I'm gonna put some hay here. Hopefully they don't try to jump on the hay and jump the fence. But if they do, then they're smart horses, they found a way out. I'm gonna put some hay in the floor. I'm gonna embed it in the floor like that. I think that's cool because they can just, eat however much hay they want. And then they can drink water too. Okay, perfect. Looking good. And one day it's my dream, guys, to have a horse farm, and maybe one day I could have a horse farm if you guys support me on this channel, guys. Anyways, guys, make sure you comment down below, tell me what you guys think, subscribe, you know, let me know what you guys think about the channel, what I can do to improve. You know, I want to be a big gamer one day, so help me out, support me, guys, because all you guys, I know you guys can help me out here. And then one day, hey, I'll film my horse farm and show you guys the steps I'm doing to create my horse farm. But first of all, guys, I need your guys' support, and that's all I can ask for, guys. So make sure to like the video, comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the horses, I believe. But here, let me just fix this up so it looks more like legit. So there we go. Nice. So the hay is just like everywhere. Okay, we're gonna have like a lot of hay for the horses. They're gonna be happy horses. Okay, and I don't know if I'm just being silly here, but I think the horses need a bed. So I'm gonna put some beds in, because I did see a horse on TikTok, guys, and they were sleeping on beds. They were, and I was like, yo, that's pretty cool. I think my horses need beds too. I'm gonna put some beds down, guys. Oh, one bed there, one bed there. It's gonna be like a palace for them, guys. And also, I'm gonna add some light, some blue light, guys. Ooh, on the hay. I don't know if I should put it on the hay. Okay, maybe I'll put some light in the background here. Oh, that'd be sick if I can put right there. No. Okay, let me just put some light here, guys, on both sides. Don't worry, the horses, they're not gonna burn themselves. It's okay, because it's light, guys. It's a blue light. Okay, anyways, guys, it's time to bring in the horses, guys. So we're gonna go down here, guys, and we're gonna find the horse one, guys. Okay. Oh, turtle, that's a turtle, guys. And what do we got? Oh, it's a little bit too much building today. I'm pretty tired. What is this? They added some new stuff. Horse. Oh yeah, it's a horse spawn. Horse spawn. Yeah. So they changed it up, but there's a horse spawn. Okay, let's get some horses. Okay, that's a nice horse. That is a white horse. Pretty nice. I like the black horses. Hopefully I can find a black horse. Okay, there's a brown. There's another white one. Oh, there's a nice gray black. I think it's a black. That's a nice one. I like how the legs are white and the top coat is black. Nice. There's another brown. There's like a dark brown. Okay, I think that's enough horses, guys, because I don't want to have a horse farm that's crowded of horses. So for now, they're gonna be staying in here. And my next upcoming videos, I'm gonna show you guys maybe like, I'm gonna build some racetrack for them. I'm gonna build like a training arena. I'm gonna do a lot of things, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna build it. Anyways, guys, make sure. Oh, I can jump on the horse. Okay, guys. Anyways, yeehaw! Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and follow for more. Oh, here, horsey's good horse. Okay, guys, make sure to follow for more content. Peace out.